In every successful treatment, there is a team working behind the scenes. Imaging specialists, lab professionals, therapists, technologists. Allied health is where diagnosis, treatment and recovery come together. At Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, we are trained to become those specialists, the ones healthcare depends on every day. Our learning happens inside real clinical environments, not just classrooms. We train at Justice K.S. Hegde Charitable Hospital, working around advanced facilities like 3 Tesla MRI, PET CT scan, robotic operation theaters, IVF labs and radiation therapy units. Being part of a NIAHS accredited university means our training meets national benchmarks across academics, research and clinical exposure. What makes the difference is access. We work with NABL accredited labs, skill labs, tissue banks and central research facilities. Research is part of our journey too. We study cases, analyze outcomes and understand how evidence shapes treatment decisions. Our mentors are not just teachers, they are practicing clinicians who guide us through real procedures, cases and protocols. By the time we graduate, we are not just qualified, we are confident specialists ready to step into critical healthcare roles. Doctors may lead treatment, but it is allied health professionals who make the treatment work. This is where the specialists behind every successful treatment are trained.
So, ready to begin your journey in allied health?
Join Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, Mangaluru.